Byose Mukinyarwanda Mukanya Gato. Isla Lang Fisher, professionally known as Isla Fisher, was born on 3rd of February 1976. Today she is celebrating her birthday of 49 years. She is an Australian actress born in Oman to Scotland parents who moved with her to Australia during her childhood. She began appearing in television commercials and came to prominence for her portrayal as Shannon Reed on Australian soap opera Home and Away released from 1994 to 1997, for which she received 2 Logie Award nominations. Fisher transitioned to Hollywood with a support role in the comedy horror film Scooby-Doo, released in 2002, and has since starred in films such as Wedding Crashers, Wedding Days, Confession of Shofaric, Bachelorette, The Great Gatsby, Now You See Me, Nocturnal Animals, I Heart Huckabee, Keeping Up with the Jones, Definitely Maybe, Tag, The Beach Palm, Horton, Who, Rango, Rise of the Guardians, Back to the Outback, Dogman, The Simpsons Movie, Hot Rod, Horton Who, Life of a Crime, Visions, Crown Forever, Grimsey, Strays, The Present, Bridget Jones, J. Kerry, Play Dead, and many more. She also acted in many television shows such as Arrested Development, Sophia the First, Angie Tribeca, Curb Your Enthusiasm, Wolf Like Me, Bored to Death, Neighbors from Hell, 2RG Show, Pilot Season. In her career, she was nominated for many awards such as Teen Choice Award, Early Woman in Hollywood Award, AACT Award, Australian Films Critics Association, Jupiter Award, and many more. Wishing happy birthday to Isla Fisher. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. For information I posted on Wikipedia. Uyu munsi isabukuru y'amavuko ya Isla Lang Fisher uzwi nka Isla Fisher. Uyu munsi akaba agize isabukuru y'imyaka 49. Akaba ari umunya-Australia, umukinnyi w'amafilime. Akaba yaratangiye gukina amafilime akiri mutoya. Wa filime ya mbere yagaragayemo ari filime y'uruhererekane yacaga kuri televiziyo yitwa Home and Away. Yakiniwe kuva muri 1994 kugera muri 1997. Gukina muri iyo filime byamuhaye kujya muhatanira igikombe cya Logie Award. Nyuma yakiniwe mu mafilime menshi nka Rise of the Guardians, Horton Who, Rango, Dogman, Back to the Outback, I Hate Back, Nocturnal Animal, The Great Gatsby, Now You See Me, Brochella, Scooby-Doo, Wedding Crashes, Wedding Doors, Confession of Shofaric n'izindi nyinshi. Ukoze kubana nanjye nagusaba like na subscribe y'umenya amakuru agezweho. Tekereza cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.